Kuya, kuya ulit, kuya.
Kuya, tapos maging mabait ka na. Tapos magregalo ka na marami. Tapos bigyan mo kami ng kapatid.
Okay, next, Nikolai. Next, nilisi mo lang. Wala, kuya.
Kuya Jared, sana mabait ka na mananalat sa mga kabayan. Happy birthday, Kuya Jared.
Papa, kay papa.
Hoy! Nice ka. Pinapa ka na. Happy birthday.
English, English, English.
Do you know that Miss Michelle there is very hungry? Your spaghetti will not enough for the 2 kilos. He will eat more than that.
Hindi Ares, hindi kay Michelle.
So happy birthday. Love you, babe. Love you. And ooh!
Ate Ares, ngayong wala ka. Ibati kita ng masaya, maligayang araw ng iyong birthday. Ito ba dati? Alam mo na, ay wala na. Balik ulit. And cut.